We're in Walmart getting our last minute shit to go camping.
Man, and we got all of the shit in the ice chest. Finna show y'all right now. We basically surviving. Where are we at though, Joe?
Timbuktu, goddamn.
Damn, we're looking for a place to camp, bro.
Oh shit, let's go down here.
You know what, bro?
We need to go kill some animals and like hunt and shit.
Oh shit, niggas got AC in that bitch.
This nigga made a spear. Look at that bitch. Show us your moves with that bitch.
I'm not gonna lie, this shit's tough. I'm in Crocs, bro. In sport mode, but fuck. How you feel, Hayden?
I mean, it's cool, I guess. Like, I eat some good food, make some good food.
I feel great.
Don't play the game. Don't play the game. Shut your shit ass up. Oh, okay. I beat you though.
Like what, twice?
We gonna see tonight.
7 games. Will we ever make it back to the vehicle?
On the bridge. Progress.
Mosquitoes everywhere. I think we might die from the blood. What you mean?
We finna go off the trail a little bit, but first we gotta put these bitches in sport mode. Fuck.
Down the tree we
Look,
go.
we gotta put the bitches in sport mode.
Crocs in sport mode, you going to hell, son. I can't. Oh, shit. Oh, why you going for it? No, stop, nigga. Oh, I ain't tripping. Oh, no.
You gotta crouch. I'm very
Who you like one of them nigga going wrong compilation and shit?
Yeah, follow him. You can't.
Follow him. Oh, you're not going. I'm gonna go.
You going all the way down, you gonna follow him.
I'm not gonna go all the way down there, nigga. I was playing Spider-Man. I was playing Spider-Man. Alright. Oh, this nigga, this ain't nothing. But, hey, what if they got spiders and shit? What if they got spiders and shit, my nigga? Like, you're crashing. I don't know.
Nigga, it's just landing shit.
What should we do?
Take a picture of me too, Christian.
I mean, you're on vid, bro.
Take a good picture.
That was like parkour. Hey, mission success. Fall by my soda, and my pet bud. Travel like very good. Take it out the map, bud. Hey.
Yeah, Billy in the woods and this shit.
Oh, this just right there. Yeah. I'm gonna pull down the shades for a little bit. Walk in this bitch, get wet.
To the right. Look, she gets to water.
Oh, that is water. Wait, what the fuck is that?
Is that water?
What is that, Chad? Oh, no.
You
said get your fleets? What is that, a monkey vine? Is that horse? There's a sign.
Them throwing sticks. Fucking goofballs. Oh shit, I was tripped. First person action. Middle of the fucking woods. Got my knife. Where?
Chad, what the fuck is that? Are you serious right now? Are you fucking serious? They got steps in the woods.
Yes, nigga, there's steps in the woods. Nigga's natural steps made by the roots and shit.
I'm fucking. Oh no. Look at this bitch. We on a bridge with it and shit.
Weaponless right now.
Weaponless, yes.
Need to pick up a stick. Hey! Keegan, Hayden. Echo!
Oh, what y'all doing?
Echo!
Tripping.
Ah! And then somebody could fucking sing, and there's this bitch singing. That sound beautiful as fuck.
It would sound super beautiful.
We're in Louisiana, 2023. We're in this park or whatever, this campground place. This trail
Buku
is nice.
bugs?
Look,
Nah, you said they got bugs, son.
it's buku bugs. Listen, though.
I'm not fucking with
Listen.
it.
This trail nice as fuck.
I'm put the shades back on. Master fuck up. I'm blacking it. Hey, God. That stairs in the
Look
woods.
like the fucking,
Look
the
at
bridge
Key.
to, Agartha, whatever
Bridge
it's
to
called.
Terabithia. That bitch
The bridge
was
to
hard.
died in.
Yeah, she died, bro. She was trying to swing across. Real niggas that remember that movie from childhood. It's lucky old though. Key, how you been feeling about the trail, my nigga? Are the bugs getting you at all?
My legs.
Your legs.
I ain't gonna lie, my legs been safe.
They getting all of this. They getting all of this.
I feel like these mosquitoes don't
on
bite us
wild
when
water,
we
white
go
beater
into
into the woods. Little idiot.
Spider, look at that spider.
Oh, what the
Look at that
fuck?
spider.
Oh,
Look at that big ass
my
foot.
God.
Oh, look,
Oh,
this
no.
thumbnail. Am I close to it?
Yes. Yes. Let's go. This is a good thumbnail. Let me get it. We gotta watch for those.
Another one.
Nigga, we have to watch for those spiders. If they out here, we gotta watch for them bitches, son. They stay walking.
Look.
I got your thumbnail, bro. I told you.
Big ass spider.
I got the shot already.
All right, bet. We finna whip this bitch up.
All right, we're trying to get wood right now for the fire. What kind of food is this right here?
We got some bacon and we got some chocolate, of course, for some s'mores that we're gonna make tonight. We're gonna grow up really good.
This is what we're gonna do. This is the plan. We got some wood, and we're gonna use the wood shavings and maybe some dead grass and shit to start the fire. Maybe some moss off a tree. Y'all finna see Michelin star chef, Hall of Fame Joe, come out today.
Is he moss? Here we go. Keegan
Man, I'm eating graham crackers. You already know what's going on, man. I sauteed the steak. We got bacon on it. I'm tripping, not bacon. Butter, salt, pepper, and garlic powder.
Okay.
But look, just the technique you gotta.
We're going for a perfect medium rare with these steaks. It's gonna be amazing, nice and juicy. Simple seasonings, man. You can't go wrong with that, man. Salt, pepper, garlic, butter. This shit.
I got a bacon wrapped steak. Now I'm gonna put some butter on it too. Already seasoned, flavorful combinations, y'all. Just wait.
I'm gonna roll up a blunt. Fuck you talking about?
Hall of Fame Joe. We're in the woods and shit. Not quite the woods and shit, but we're in the woods and shit. Perfect medium rare steak off the fucking fire grill and shit. Let's see how this bitch is. Look at that. Beautiful steak. The woods, we just cook food and shit. Just started a fire, cook some food.
Steaks, as y'all gonna be able to see, we cook steaks and shit. Like, every time we do a video, there's always some kind of like something that happens, but we always make something shake with the videos. We always do it on time.
Adapt.
Yeah, gotta make something shake, man.